Hey, what's up? So today I'm gonna show you how to draw a turd. So it's gonna look like that. So check this out. First you're gonna open paint. Then you select that brush. Medium size is good with the black line. I'm gonna zoom in a little bit so you can tell what I'm doing. Let's see. You're gonna go like this. You're gonna make another kind of dewy. And then another one like that. Let's see. Maybe I fucked up somewhere. Alright. No, we have to. Yeah, it's supposed to look like that. And then select brown with the fill, and you fill it in, and there is a big turd. Lovely.